What's going on? What's up? Big up on yourself morning. Welcome back to the channel. So, Negril as usual, golf course as usual. Only difference is in this one, I don't have a clue what we are doing. But I think it's going to be exciting. It's not really exciting when we don't know what we are doing. But for right now, this morning here, I'm taking some photos. Yep, so I'm trying to get some banger photos, share them with you, everybody. And then we move on to the unknown daily activities. So might get some trouble, might go look somebody's daughter, shave up and thing, go look somebody's daughter. Might try prank somebody, might put a whole movie in here or a short film. I don't know. We're doing a whole lot of things today. But as I said, right now we are taking photos, so we don't know how we do. We get some visuals, then we get into the photo taking thing, and then we proceed from there. Oh, and next thing, if it's your first time over here, so leave a like on the video, hit me there please, and if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe, grow the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get some visual, take some photos, and then move into the rest of the day. She wants to sin and I'm a sinner, full play, then I'ma put it in her. I got her nipples in my mouth like dinner, you ain't even gotta ask, I'm a bad little nigga. Oh. Like password. So, like how we are taking photos, like how we are talking photos for the first section of this video. Did you guys know that me, Mr. Lawrence, yours truly, I have worked with the legendary Adrian McDonald?
Never heard of him.
Hold on. You don't know who named Adrian McDonald? You don't know who named Adrian McDonald?
But let me tell you something. This someone you know responsible for Lex and art, all of my passions, because him discover me when me did still a teach. And him say, come, we go shoot some weddings. From there, so everything just unfold.
You serious? Yo, that a Jamaica toughest photographer. But anyhow, yeah, boss is in my video work and say, oh listen, forward, you need to come shoot a wedding with me. Shoot a wedding with the boss. You know, saying in my little mind that I want a big accomplishment. If we work with Mr. Lex and Art. Yeah, bad photographer. So, yeah, I come up front of Richie and see him. You know that story, not true? Yeah, so had that opportunity. So we get some banger photos. I'm not getting no photo yet. May I try fine. Alright guys, so here we're going on now. This is getting boring. As a matter of fact, I think that I've exhausted this location, so might have to consider my options. So yes, we'll scrap the photo taking thing. We'll move on to the next thing, which is, I don't really know. Can I do the movie? Hey, can I put one movie in here? What would the movie be about though? Oh, I can make it one short film dialogue where two hot girl meet up. So one of them, her boyfriend asked her if he give him head, but she had considered it. So she go to her friend now and them have that conversation. It feel like we can turn that now a movie. Or that's interesting. Because sex and oral sex are the thing I think everywhere now. So or what kind of movie ideas? Tell them some movie ideas in the comments. Huh? Tell them some movie ideas in the comments. But we see what go on down Jamaica. We'll see if we can find some of the Richard Brown films people them and question out them blouse and skirt. And if we get some more people, we'll try to do the dialogue vlog thing, oral sex conversation. Some more visuals there. Yeah. Get the camera front. I didn't realize, like, you know, take up the camera. Miss, alright, so the first one we woke up Miss Kissy thing. You remember the one we do the kissing scene with? Yeah.
That a day off from bad word.
Man, I wish I should dress up. I go still black and purple. Blood clean. Can we check your out, mama? So, what them shoes on him?
I don't know. Heels. You know what I say?
So, Carolina, how you go?
Church.
You got church by yourself?
You want to go with me?
Woman, look how you look good and you got church by yourself.
Not true.
I know man, no want to.
Mm-mm.
Oh, monster.
No, man.
Oh, you married already. Anyways, so I'm there on this.
Lighting better here, so give it one.
Anyhow, here we go. Many people in there and we are trying something. I don't know what we are doing today. I think we should have go to church like how.
I did say that y'all.
Oh, today our Mother's Day too. I have nothing to say about mothers. Oh, big up all of the mothers them out there. Mine say me a Satan and my worst thing, so that out of the picture. Before we're gonna further.
You did not.
No, that I wish actually say. I'm not telling a lie upon nobody. Anyhow,
What
yeah,
is, man? My God. Yo,
me can't get fit do what we want.
What is happening? What is
Come, you wipe off it.
wipe off can help that quality today?
Yes, this is a quality of bad, Mega. No, Mega, come here, sir. Come around here. This is bad. You are so extra.
Okay, no funny, sir.
Mega, before you distract me from what we are doing, give me one title for a movie, please.
Title for one movie?
Yeah.
What's the theme?
Momster-in-law, mother-in-law. Me and my mother-in-law.
Me and my mother-in-law.
What genre?
What kind of dialogue we could I get out of that door? Like a movie like that?
A lot.
Just tell me one. I'm kind of up on a mission today. Come,
What's up?
with them,
You can either be bad or
Don't
good
zoom.
because you have some Jezebel mother-in-law.
she's pretty. She's pretty.
You have some Jezebel mother-in-law, you know?
You realize we are doing a video again?
And
You did have some complaint about the last video.
me not get no repellent, no cream, no
Oh,
money.
she not get no repellent, no cream, no money, but she'll get it. She'll get it. Me not style her thing.
Anyways,
the
I'm
dialogue.
before me forget.
The dialogue. What
You
kind
have
of dialogue?
some.
Between
it
the mother and
depends.
his daughter-in-law or mother. What's her name?
Me and my mother-in-law. It can be that she and her mother-in-law are good. They get along. So the mother-in-law can be.
Would I just want to extract one conversation out of that movie there and
So
turn
we-
it on like a short film like so that's all.
So-
It's my first idea. I'm not cut. My first idea was to two hot girls meet up. One of them her boyfriend ask her if give him head and she bring it to her friend and I think that would have been an interesting conversation. But go here the feel little dialogue and
With her mother-in-law.
yeah.
A dialogue between her mother-in-law can be devil and the girl a devil too, so them get along.
But what kind of conversation them would have like wash up plate or wanna close the toilet or I just want to take one dialogue out of it that interesting.
She hear her daughter and her son have sex.
And then they have one conversation about it.
That would have been
Tough.
interesting.
Tough.
I'm gonna want to talk about wash plate and
Or the mother-in-law wanna stop walking on his son.
Alright, come in. You have to put your face in it, Mega. What you say about it? What you say about the daughter-in-law now?
Yeah, read one article that could go in it, like one mother-in-law always walking on his daughter-in-law and his son always having sex. And she will actually just sit and watch.
Ja. I think that's good.
That I talk about me.
So, you want to wish your mothers them happy Mother's Day, Carolina?
Yes, to all those queens, those empresses, those nurturers. I just like to tell you a happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, we spend here, but I think them must say no. You need to put something in the oven.
What?
Anyways, go on to church. So,
To the fall.
as you know, see, we not go to church or do whatever. So,
again, Akeem, see this come. See this guy.
alright, we still a move on throughout the day. We have no actresses coming here today. We could probably get one dialogue out of.
Well, I guess.
Oh, Shannon Tour is supposed to come here today, guys. So, moving along. Oh, you have something? What you want to say?
No, I don't. I was just reminding you that we need to get me going to church.
We need to get you going. Am I bring you?
So this is a record.
No.
Am I take
Open the
you?
phone. Open the phone.
No, you're not taking me, but
Oh, you want me to go?
I'm gonna do another video thing.
Oh, me need to do a special video with you.
We are singing Mother's Day.
Oh, yeah, sing.
Yeah,
Alright, do my piece of singing piece first. Do my piece of singing piece first. I'm gonna tell you what song I want to sing.
Yes, do that.
No, been happy.
Need one song. Kind of song. Better you somebody. I joke. We don't know.
You make me feel. You make me feel like
a
You make me feel like a natural.
Yo, let me embarrass myself a bit. When you ready? So, the lead singer.
Okay.
If I'm a lead,
The backup. I'll back up. No problem.
Make sure you zoom in on my box. You ready? What song where we are singing again?
Natural one.
Alright, I think you should have been.
I
I joke, I not embarrass myself out. I usually sing this song at church. How do I again? Come usually up on church choir, you know.
tell you.
My song go again.
All the greatest heathens were once Christians. So.
I'm a proud sinner. Everybody on this land sin. I'm a proud one.
You're proud sinner.
She wants to sin and I'm a sinner. Folk play, then I'ma put it in her. I got the nipples in my mouth.
Listen,
like the
because you don't seem to know to control your children, and so they're not behaving right now. And I don't understand because it is so early in the morning with you.
Your children, shut up.
Your son play them and they might bite me. They might bite the heaven out of me.
I try to remember this song, I can't remember it.
You can sing.
You have the power to make the seasons change.
I mean, me born, me get my altar.
River flows
If me don't know
for
it,
you.
then I do that.
The wind whispers.
Jesus' love is a bubbling over.
For me, you left your throne and traded the crown for thorns instead. Actually, no, sing your.
I must sing on
You
gospel.
make me feel like a
Me not think on gospel one.
anything.
I remember mama and the love.
May I get emotional?
that
May I make you
she
sing that
gave
one
me.
at yourself? You know?
Kneeling by her bedside, I could still hear mama say, the people are depending on you, Carly. Don't you let them down. I remember mama in a happy way. We
My
went to
acting skills
school
are come along.
with hopes in our shoes. We didn't have much, but the Lord saw us through.
Happy Mother's Day.
Had a lot of love way down deep inside. Yes, it did. I remember mama in a happy way.
Big up yourself, mommy, even though you said me a mistake.
Mama
Big up.
in a happy way.
So, as you know, say, people going to church Sunday slow as usual. And yes, it kinda, well, not exciting, but it's not boring so far. So, I think we're going to do from here is just move straight into the filmic dialogue kind of short film thing. Yeah. So, Tori and Shans, which is Uno's favorite, they aren't here as yet. So, I guess from here we'll just move straight into that. So, yeah.
Love your walk. I need to do these things more often, baby.
Yeah, definitely.
Carry the next step, and we're gonna do it, baby.
Just
Do it.
think more on that I know still though.
There's something to talk to you about.
Yeah. I think more, you know.
More? Of course, you always want more. What kind of more you want? What kind of more you want? Tell me.
Just want to be more spontaneous, you know.
What you talk about?
Feel like so we can maybe buy one handcuff. One time, me I do my thing. You know, so you can't move, you know.
Well, you know, so I like to move anyway, so why you don't want to tie me up? That don't sound too... I don't know.
But anyways, we can think about it.
Alright, we think about it.
So yeah, how does this work?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A long time I want a boy.
Walk on, Shan.
Tori,
Hello.
what's up?
There. Just there take a walk with Alton through the lawn and thing.
Alton?
Yes. He ain't got on that one part in this. So walk on.
I'm just there. So I come breeze out a little bit for the sun there.
Okay, so I just there for run come around here, come find you because while ago, you know, after me and him have this nice walk. Long time we don't really spend some quality time together, you know. So I didn't walk the nice and everything, and then after we reach one part, he stop and say, yo, you love how everything is going, but he kind of want a little bit more. What kind of more you really feel like, say, boy, I want? My heart and tell me, say, I'm not interested in a little bondage. You know, if you tie me up and you could do a little thing with me, constrained.
I never know say into them things there.
Me, after me not into them things there, me tell him some not too like them things there still, but me tell him some me think about it, you know, because...
Nobody think about nothing. Nobody go down them road there with him.
But I'm a boyfriend and we come from far, you know, we have enough things so we accomplished so far. Me see him as the one, you know, me see him as possibly later down, but no, not right now, but me see him as that, so...
But if I'm going to push you into doing things where you don't want to do, why?
Nah, say him push me still, but maybe we can think about it. That's why I don't want to talk to you about it. What do you think?
Hey, what do you mean by tie you up on them things there? Them things they lower your self-esteem I come talk about. Tie up. No make no boy tie you up here. That me I say, no make no boy tie you up.
Well, I have a friend from a long time still, you know, from primary school days to be exact. So, you never steer me wrong, you know. And when you put it like that, you say you want to tie me up after we have
lower
flourished.
your
So.
self-esteem. Him a alpha and you are not even omega.
Alright. I go take what you say still in consideration and I go talk to him about it. I tell him say I tell him how I feel about it. So
Tell him say if you're going to make your next woman do that, because I'm sure you have a next woman. Watch. You don't have to put it to him saying, but I'm sure.
he never really show me no sign of that still, you know. I not put it past no man, you know. Don't get me wrong. But he never really show me no sign of that still.
No, because he not show you a sign, them no mean say he not do it. Someone know if you hide them thing, you know, someone well private and well secretive. You did know Sam did into all of this bondage and tie up shit. Well, first of all, where him come from with them tie up shit here? Probably somebody else will show him that and him and say, oh, I'm come try this. You're with
right,
Tori.
Still don't know where him learn them things there from. Is it that he did always like this? But me and him there for so long.
And he never showed them things there before. As smart did this a come from, remember me tell you?
Me and him are going to have a conversation.
Right way.
For sure. So, thanks again for your ever so awesome advice.
And how you find me out here as a girl? Next time, maybe go change my hiding place then because you find me too easy.
But me say,
bye.
me say like a word, me call him.
Alright.
Hello?
Alton,
Who is this?
it's Shan.
Sean.
Tori friend Shan. I'm down by the golf course. I'm here say that's where you there too. You not leave it.
Who is this?
It's Shan.
Which Shan? I
Tory.
have about 6 Shan in this phone.
Tory friends, Shan.
Tory friend?
Yeah.
How will you get my number?
Know yourself about how me get a number. Me here say the golf course. Me there around I'm back there, so come give me a link. Me have something where me feel like you need to see right now. Something we need attention right now.
Continue the conversation. Something more like. Just come in, just don't feel like you're rubbing him down, rub down his chest or something. Then make him take the conversation to you and say, yo, what? We don't say if you really have a talk because you know walk out. Yeah, take it from the side.
So yeah, that's it. That last clip that you saw just before getting right here is them shooting our next movie, and you guys know what's happening here in Jamaica now, so it's locked down, so we're getting some work done so you guys will have movies to watch. And yep, in between shooting that little dialogue thing there, it started raining, so as you can probably see, the environment is a bit bleaky. That's as a result of the rain. So yeah, that's been it. Hope you enjoy. That has basically been the day. It's alright. Try capture some behind the scenes during the night time, depending upon how this video responds or how you guys respond. Click like, subscribe, and yeah, comment in the section. So only got dialogue scene on that want me drop up or don't want like see me drop up. Yeah, until then, look more, pick up on yourself. Thanks for the support. Later.